You're a dad and a fairy princess under the Queen's command. You're a flower sitter, a power lifter, and your mum's emergency contact. You're a pop star slash pants wearer, a Bollywood star slash alchemist. You're a chef, a midnight muncher who's also a member of the Lactose Intolerance Club, a three-point shooter, an exterior designer, a host. You're a conductor when you want to, a ballet dancer when you have to, and a mathematician when you need to. You're a banking consultant and a referee for sibling squabbles. Sometimes you're the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Sometimes you're the bad cop. You're a one-trip wonder and a treasure hunter searching for the long-lost shoe. You're Miss Busy, Mr. Steady, Jack of all trades and ace of many. IKEA is here to be part of your story.